Good morning, dear friends. Today's video, I will discuss some definition of set theory. Firstly, I will discuss the subset and superset. Subset. If every element of a set A is a member of set B, then A is called subset of B, and B is called superset of A. So, or if X belong to A, this implies X also belong to B. Then A is a subset of B and B is a superset of A. And we denote the subset by this symbol. This is the symbol how we representing the subset A subset of B, and we can also write B is a sub B is a superset of A. Yeah, we can say A is a subset of B. For example, we have A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 2 and 3. Here we are seeing that all the element of B are in A. So we can say 2 and 3 are here, 2 and 3. So we can write B is a subset of A. This is a symbol that means B is a subset of A. If we are talking about every element of A is not in B, so A is not subset of B, but B is a subset of A. This is example of subset. So note 1, every set is a subset of itself. And empty set phi is taken as a subset of every set. That means this is a subset of every set. So next definition is power set. Power set of a finite set is a set of all subset of the given set. That means firstly the power set is always calculated for the finite set. Finite means whose element we can count. And it is a set of all the subsets of given set. That means all the possible subsets of finite set is known as the power set. Power set of A is denoted by PA. If we are considering A set, then power set is PA. And if we are considering B, then power set is denoted as PB. So I will explain the illustrations. That means how we have to take the power sets. Suppose we have example, this one. Example, take A is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the three elements of a set. Now, how we have to calculate the power set? The simple formula is base will be taken as 2. There are 3 elements. So, 2 raised power 3. That means 8. So, if we are talking about the power set of 8, that means there will be 8 subsets in a power set. How we have to write? Firstly, always we will write 5. Then we will write individually, that is 1, 2, 3. Then we will take 2, 2 combination, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. At last, we will take the combination of 3 elements, that is a main set. That means how we have to write? Firstly, we have to write 5. Then we have to write 1, 1. Then we have to write 2, 2. Then we have to write 3. So if we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8 subset of a given set, and this is known as the power set, because power set we write all the subsets. And this is another illustration. Find the power set of 2, 5 set. That means the base is, we know that 2. Elements are 2, so 2 raised by 2, that is 4. 4 possible subset will be in a power set. Firstly, we have to write 5. Then we have to write individually, that is 2. 2. Then we have to write 5. And then we have to take the collectively both, that means 2 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the 4 subsets of a set, and this is known as a power set. So this is the illustration of power set. Now I will explain another definition, that is symmetric difference of two sets. How we have to take the symmetric difference? If A and B are any two sets, then the set A difference B union B difference A is called symmetric difference of A and B, and it is denoted by symbol this one. That means A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. So how we have to write in a symbolically form? That is A symmetric difference B is equal to X. X belong to A and X does not belong to B. Difference means does not belong to B. Union means or. X belong to B and X does not belong to A. So this is the symbolically I have written. Then by the Venn diagram, I will explain that this is the taken universal set U, and I have considered A set and B set. A difference B means That means we have not considered the area of B, but we have considered the area of A. Whenever we have taken the B difference E, that means we have not taken the area of A and we have considered the area of B. So union means we have considered both the areas. That means leaving this common portion, we have to take the area of both the sets A and B and leaving only common portion. This showed that the asymmetric difference B. Now, I will explain a few illustration. That means I have given A set and B set and C set. I just calculate A intersection B and A difference B. A, B, C are taken. A intersection B. A intersection B means just we have to take the common element of A and B. So common element is B and E and F, which is coming in both the sets A and B. So I have written BEF. This is the A intersection B. Now A difference B means we have to write the element of A and B. Then we have to subtract the element of B in which is common in A. That means if I am talking about B, B I will leave here. E that will also leave, and F I will also leave there. So the remaining element of A will be A and C. So A and C is the, actually this is the A difference B. A difference, if we can also calculate the B difference A. B difference A means, that means like we have to write B, E, F, R and S, and A, B, C, E and F. So this will be the, we have to ignore B, then E, then F, B, E, F. So remaining element will be R, comma. So this is the B difference A. Now another example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Then show that A difference B is not equal to B difference A. A difference B means simply we have to subtract the element of B in A, which are common. That means 2. 2 we will leave here. 4 is also leave, and then 6. Then remaining element are 1, 3, 5. If we are calculating B difference A, that means we have to leave the element of A in B. The common element is 2. 2 we will leave. 4 we will leave. 6 we will leave. That means the remaining element in B is 8. So we are observing that A difference B is not equal to B difference A. It is just we have to check whether the answers are not equal or equal. So this is illustration of we can say differences of the sets, intersection and symmetric difference and power set. Thanks dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.